Hi, my name is Lakshman, and in this video I'll be explaining to you how you can take a full page screenshot on your iPhone or on your iPad. First, let's get started with the iPhone. So make sure you have opened up your Safari browser. It won't work with any other browsers like Chrome or Firefox 8. So just open up the web page that you want to take a full page screenshot of. So I have opened up this one of my blog post here. So if you want to read this blog post, you can check the description section. So I just need to take the screenshot here like the way I take normal screenshots. So in my case, I will press power button and volume up button since I don't have home button. So if you have home button, you can press the power button and press home button, and then open up the thumbnail of the screenshot that we just created. And then on the top, when you open up the screenshot, it says screen in full page. Tap on full page since we are taking the full page screenshot. And when you tap on full page screenshot, you can see on your right a slider or scroll bar with which you can get the view of the page that you have just taken a screenshot of. And you can also crop the page, do different markup like add color, select, or you can also add text, signature, and a lot of things you can do with the full page screenshot here. And once you are done, you can just tap on share button and then share it as an attachment, or share it to your family, anywhere, to anyone. And then just tapping on done, it will ask you to save to files or cancel. So I'll just save to files. One thing you need to remember here is it will save the screenshot as a PDF, and it needs to be accessed from the files. You can also rename the file name here. I'll just save it to my files here. So we will be accessing these screenshots from the files, and you can see here this is the full page screenshot that I just took before. Now let's talk about how we can take a full page screenshot on your iPad. Just open up the web page that you want to take a screenshot of. For this video, I'll just show you by opening up one of my blog posts, and also I will try to rotate this iPad so the video can fit in the frame. You need to press the power button and home button, or power button or the volume up button, depending upon your iPad's method of taking a screenshot. So once you have taken a screenshot, just open up the thumbnail from bottom left, and go to full page from the top bar, and you can also scroll and select the particular section from the right scroller, or crop it, or now we can just save it to our files. So I'll just save it to one of my folders here, and we can access it from our files, not from photos, as it will be saved as a PDF. And you can just use this screenshot PDF as an attachment or anything like a normal PDF. This is how you can take a full page screenshot on your iPhone and iPad. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.